cleanest looking washroom, the air can contain microscopic particles, including bacteria and viruses, varying in size and behavior in airflow. Which is why all Dyson Airblade hand dryers have HEPA filters to capture these particles from washroom air. First, the airflow goes through a fine fleece layer, trapping the larger particles. Next, the airflow passes through the HEPA layer, a fine weave of glass fibers bonded into a pleated sheet, creating a highly effective barrier to capture 99.95% of microscopic particles that pass through the filter, including bacteria and viruses, ensuring that your carefully washed hands are always hygienically dried with HEPA-purified air.